I'm on Anthropic's website right now, and I've already found 100 leads using just one tool, and it literally took me only 30 seconds. To do this, I use Scalelist, the #1 email and phone number finding tool. Just go to scalelist.com to create your account and get a certain number of free credits. Next, go to the Chrome Web Store, search for Scalelist, and click Add to Chrome. Add extension, and then you'll see that the extension has been added to your search bar. Now, next, what we want to do is make sure to pin this to our search bar. So we can go ahead and close this and click on the extension button up top. Now here we see our Scalelist extension. Just click the pin button and we'll see it pop right up here. Go ahead and close. And now we're ready to find our emails. So let's go back to the Anthropic website and click on the Domain Finder Scalelist extension. Now here we can search for anywhere from 1 to 100 emails. I'm going to search for 100 and click Find Emails. And it only takes just a few seconds, and already we can see that we have 100 leads that have come through for us. One email found equals 1 credit. Now we're going to go ahead and select all and hit save. Now I can either add these to an existing list if I have one, or I can create a new list. I want to create a new list, and here I'm just going to call it AI companies. Click Create AI Companies, and my list has been created with all 100 of my leads saved in there already. Now, in order to see this within the Scalelist app, we can just click on the button View in Scalelist app, and it'll open up into another tab in our browser. This is what it looks like inside of your Scalelist dashboard. I can see that I have a total of 100 leads with 100 emails found. When you're importing leads using the domain finder as we just did, Scalelist will verify the email at the same time as finding it. We have 65 valid emails and 35 risky emails. Risky just means that it's unverifiable, but the email may still exist. It's up to you to decide whether you want to use it or not. Here we have all 100 of our leads. As you can see, we have first name, last name, company, and email. And here you can also select if you want to show or hide certain columns. I'm going to hide the LinkedIn profile for now. And now we can decide how we want to use this leads list. Now here on the top right hand side, either we can push our leads to a CRM, either push selected leads, valid emails only, or push all of our leads. If we select push valid emails only, Scalelist has a number of different CRM integrations. You can select from your HubSpot account, Lemlist, Instantly, or SmartLead. Let's go ahead and close this. And our second option is to export these leads to a CSV file, where you can choose to use it on any other outreach platform. For today, I'm going to export CSV and valid emails only. And there we go. I've got 100 email addresses using only Scalelist to help me find those work emails. As you can see, simple and super easy to do. And I can also combine these leads with other leads lists as well. If you want to learn how you can find phone numbers for your leads list, be sure to check out this video next. Now it's your turn. Scale smarter and not harder.